Good morning, everybody. Before this term also, some problems have been solved by me in integration. This integral is also very useful to you all, especially for competitive exams. You may have seen such type of sums you may have seen in different problems. But what I am going to tell you is not that. I mean proceeding point. How do you understand? How do you know the proceeding point? Means hint in some problems I have. In some problems I have told about hint. So how do you find out hint? In this sum also try to understand how do you find out hint means proceeding point. Look at the sum. Here is 2x plus 2. Can you find out 2x plus 2 here? If you find out 2x plus 2 here, means that is your hint. And then you proceed. This is important for each and every sum. Now we can write as, see, I is equal to sine inverse 2x plus 2 by root under 2x square whole square plus 2 into 2x into 2 plus 2a square plus 9. Means this is in the form of whole square. Means in a square form, this is in the form of a square. Sine inverse 2x plus 2 by root under 2x plus 2 whole square plus 3a square dx. We know root under x square plus a square. If such type of form is given to you, then you have to find out, you have to write as x is equal to a sec theta. Then we have to proceed. You may proceed and you may get solution. Here x means 2x plus 2 and a means 3. So write as So write 2x plus 2 is equal to 3 tan theta. Now differentiate. Dx is equal to 3 sec square theta d theta. Dx is equal to 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. Now write as, therefore I is equal to sine inverse for 2x plus 2 3 tan theta. Now I is equal to integral sine inverse 3 tan theta for 2x plus 2 and 3 tan theta whole square plus 9. And for dx, right, 3 by 2 sec square theta d theta. This can be written as sine inverse right, this 3 by 2 here, sine inverse three tan theta by root under 9 tan square theta plus 9 into sec square theta d theta. Now is equal to 3 by 2 sine inverse 3 tan theta by root under 9 1 plus tan square theta into sec square theta d theta. It can be written as 3 by 2 sine inverse 3 tan theta by 3 sec theta into sec square theta d theta is equal to 3 by 2 integration sine inverse sin theta by cos theta into is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 integration sine inverse sin theta into sec square theta d theta is equal to 3 by 2 sin inverse sin theta is equal to theta into sec square theta d theta. Now here we have to use islet, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. This is algebraic and this is trigonometric. Now in islet, trigonometry comes after algebraic. That's why algebraic function will be first function. Write as 3 by 2 theta integration sec square theta d theta minus d theta by d theta integration sec square theta d theta. D theta is equal to 3 by 2 theta into sec square theta is tan theta. One into tan theta d theta is equal to 3/2. Now put the value of theta. From here, tan theta is equal to 2x plus 2/3, as look at here, tan theta is equal to 2x plus 2/3. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse 2x plus 2/3. So for theta you have to write this. So write here tan inverse 2x plus 2/3. And for tan theta 2x plus 2/3. Integration of tan theta is equal to log sec theta. Now write as tan inverse 2x plus 2/3 2x plus 2/3 minus log sec. Sec we can write as sec theta is equal to root under 1 plus tan square theta. Sec theta is equal to root under 1 plus tan square theta. That is root under 1 plus, and tan theta is equal to 2x plus 2/3 means whole square. So write for sec theta this part. Root under 1 plus 2x plus 2/3 whole square plus c is equal to 3/2 into 2x plus 2/3 tan inverse 2x plus 2/3 minus log root under 9 plus 4x square plus 8x plus 4 by 9 plus c. Now 2x plus 1/2 tan inverse 2x plus 2/3 minus 3/2 log 4x square log 4x square plus 8x plus 13 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus plus 3 by 2 log 3. Now right here x plus 1 tan inverse 2x plus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 log 4x square plus 8x plus 13 plus 3 by 2 log 3 plus c1. Now x plus 1 tan inverse 2x plus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 log 4x square plus 8x plus 13 plus c. Let 3 by 2 log 3 plus c1 is equal to c. This is the solution, and it will be very useful to you all. Have practice and be successful in solving the competitions. Here theta into x sec square theta d theta. This is in the form of islet. Means in integration by parts, we have to use this formula u v dx. The first, as I told you, the first part will be u, first function will be u, and second function will be v. So if in islet, the part which comes first will be taken as u, and then you proceed.